This is a final video to fix the Lethal Company and error occurred problem. Are you tired of seeing this error pop up every time you try to play the game? You are not alone. This error usually happens because of corrupted game files or a small conflict with your system settings. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, leaving you frustrated and lost. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that can fix this error in just a few minutes without any complicated steps. If you want to create a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it, comment below and let me know. Trust me, this method works even if other fixes have failed, and you'll be back in the game quickly. Stay tuned with Rexist for the easiest way to solve this error.